Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a bot to Telegram easily and quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and select Contacts. Now tap on the search bar and type BotFather. Select BotFather, which is the official bot for creating and managing other bots on Telegram. Tap Start or Restart if you've used it before. Type /newbot and send it. Now, choose a name for your bot. Enter the name and send it. Next, create a unique username ending in bot and send it. Once done, you will receive a bot token confirming your bot is created. Now, tap on your bot, start a conversation, and then tap on the profile picture. Tap Add to Group or Channel, then select your group. Give the bot the necessary permissions, then tap Add Bot as Admin. And that's it. Your bot is now added to Telegram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to HowToHub for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.